Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install the Protect X smart sensor on our 4Runner. Come on, let's begin. Alright, so again, this is the Protect X smart sensor. This is made mainly for Toyota vehicles. This particular one, this is for the 4Runner. So we will be installing this one out to our 4Runner. This is a plug and play solution. It's like a basic alarm accessory that you can install in your vehicle. So this one actually can protect your catalytic converter. Basically, it has like a tilt sensor on it also built in. So if someone lifts your vehicle by up to 1 degree or slides under your vehicle and basically make some noise or whatever, like when they start to cut it, so that vibration will trigger the alarm on your vehicle. So basically it will get attention from the surroundings, so that can help deter any intruder. Also, same thing with the wheels. They can protect the wheels. If they jack it up and they try to steal your wheels, it will also beep. So it will sound the alarm again to deter any intruder. Okay. Also with this one, once this one is installed, you can actually control your windows. Basically, if you want them up or down, you can control it with this one, and that will help basically if you leave your pet inside of your vehicle and you want to open the windows, that will help basically ventilate the car, and it will basically protect your pet from suffocating or whatever if it's very hot outside. Okay, so let's open this up and let's check what's in the package. All right, and also for this one, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. This is ProtectX, made by ProMaster Electronic. They are based from Taiwan, and this one is actually made in Taiwan. So let's see what's in the box. All right, so there you go. So we have a warning in here that says sensor might not work when the vehicle's wiring been modified with aftermarket products such as remote, engine starter, GPS tracker, or alarm system. So just be mindful of that one. All right, and it got the QR code. It says 4Runner 2020-2024. So this is the main unit. This one looks like an AirPods case on it. So we have some plugs in here. We have some more plugs on this side. Okay, and what's this? I don't want to remove that. But we have this patent stuff in here. And then we have a QR code. Okay, so this is the main sensor. Let's see what else do we have in the box. Okay, so in the box, we have the harness. These are like piggyback harness or Y cable. So let's see. So yeah, so it's a whole harness in here. So we leave that there. We have a sticker, decal, adhesive tape, VHB tape, which is good. And also the user manual, which will be very helpful. So in this one, basically step one is we have to remove the screws from the steering wheel. So I got the diagram in there, which I'm gonna show you how to do this. And then we have all of this stuff in here. All right, so after installation, lock the lock button, press the lock button on your remote, and wait 9 minutes. Okay, so we have to wait 9 minutes before we can do it, basically before it works. So okay, so let's begin. Basically, let's remove the screws on our steering column. All right, so on our 4Runner in here, this one has a hydraulic assist power steering. So we need to start the vehicle so that we can move our steering wheel to the desired angle so that we can access the screws. All right. Okay, so we need to turn our steering wheel in this position to access this bolt, and to this position to access the other bolt in here, or screws. All right. And also, after we remove the screws, we need to put our steering wheel back into the center position. All right, so now we just need to remove this cover in here, so it will help if we extend it a little bit. Okay, then just need to push it to the side to release it, and easy as that. So we have our cover removed. So now with the harness, this harness basically will plug in to the two cable in here. So we need to find out which one goes where. All right. All right, so we need to remove one of the or two of the harness plug in here. One will be the blue one, which will be this one. There you go. So you just need to unclip this, and then we need to remove the black one in here. So just unclip that. And there you go. And what do we need to do next is we need to attach the harness from Protect X. Basically the blue one goes to the blue one. Okay. And basically this is just a Y cable. So it's like a piggyback harness. Make sure you hear the click. And now you work on the black one in here. Okay, basically do the same thing. There you go. Then we just need to plug them back together to their respective plug. So the black one goes to the black plug. And again, make sure you hear the click to make sure they are secured. Okay. And then once this one is completed, we're gonna plug in our sensor. Okay. Okay, so there you go. Now what we're gonna do next is we're going to connect our sensor. So just plug this in. Again, this is a very easy plug and play solution. No splicing needed. If you want some basic alarm or security in your vehicle. So there you go. So this is plugged in. Then I'll lock the vehicle, wait 9 minutes, and then we're gonna try the features. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, so we waited more than 9 minutes since we armed the vehicle here. So what are we gonna do is we're going to do the remote window up and down. All right, so now we're gonna try this. So we're going to press the unlock button once, and it should open up all of the windows. So again, press and hold the unlock key. There you go. So now we're going to bring them all up. So we're gonna press and hold the unlock button. And as you see there, they all close. Awesome. So another feature here is we can press it once and it will open the windows. basically a step-by-step. Basically it will open up level by level, so it will open up in increments. So again, let's press it once. So this will be very helpful if you have some animals that are inside of the vehicle that you want to vent it out, so you can just press it until the level that you want. So again, this is very helpful on that one. All right, so if we want to open all of the windows all the way down, or if we want to close them all the way up, we can just press and hold our button in here. So the unlock button, press and hold it again, and it should open up everything. And now if we want to close them all, just need to press and hold again the unlock button. All right, and it should go up. All of the windows will go up, and I like it. So again, just keep pressing them basically until it reacts. So yeah, so again, this is a nice addition on basically on security, safety of your vehicle. So now we're going to do the window glass test. So we're going to do that next now, and let's go. All right, so what are we gonna do next is we're going to do the window glass test. In my case, I'm not going to hit my door window glass. I'm going to hit the windshield instead, because I believe the glass on my windshield is a little thicker than the one on the doors. So I'm just afraid on hitting my own window glass like what I did on the RAV4. I did not hit my window glass on the RAV4. So, but on the Tacoma, my friends who own the vehicle, they hit it. So now let's begin with our test on the windshield. Okay, so I'm going to hit the windshield. Let's see if it will have any type of an alert to try to deter any thieves out there that are trying to break in on your vehicle. So let's try this. There you go. So it gave you an alert. So yeah, so again, gave you an alert. It works. So again, the sensor works. And now let's do the tilt test. So we're going to jack this up a little bit, or we're going to jack it until it sets an alarm. So we'll see. All right. All right. So right now we're going to test the 4Runner lift test if it will alarm. All right. So we're just jacking it up, and we'll just find out. All right. So now we got some lift. Now let's see if there will be an alarm. All right, so we got some alarm in here and it works. All right. All right, so everything works. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Again, this is Protect X by ProMaster Electronics. Again, it's very inexpensive. It's an additional peace of mind for your vehicle, for your personal belongings. Again, it really works. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.